Struggling with acne and don't know where to turn? Discover 5 easy and effective ways to clear up your skin without complicated routines or expensive treatments. 5. Use non-comedogenic products. Using non-comedogenic products is essential for anyone looking to clear up acne and maintain healthy skin. Non-comedogenic means that the product is specifically formulated not to clog pores, which is a primary cause of acne. When pores become blocked by oil, dead skin cells, or makeup, it creates an environment where bacteria can thrive, leading to breakouts. Non-comedogenic products, including moisturizers, sunscreens, and makeup, are designed with ingredients that are less likely to cause these blockages. They allow your skin to breathe and function naturally, reducing the likelihood of acne formation. This is particularly important for those with oily or acne-prone skin, as these skin types are more susceptible to clogged pores. Look for labels that specifically state non-comedogenic and avoid products with heavy oils or occlusive ingredients such as coconut oil or lanolin, which are known to clog pores. Instead, opt for products containing lightweight, skin-friendly ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or squalane. Incorporating non-comedogenic products into your daily skincare routine can make a significant difference, helping to prevent new breakouts while allowing existing blemishes to heal more effectively. Over time, you'll notice clearer, smoother skin that is less prone to acne and other related issues. 4. Avoid touching your face. Avoiding the habit of touching your face is a crucial step in preventing acne breakouts and maintaining clear skin. Our hands come into contact with countless surfaces throughout the day, collecting dirt, bacteria, and oils. When you touch your face, you transfer these impurities directly onto your skin, where they can clog pores and trigger inflammation, leading to pimples and blackheads. Touching your face can also worsen existing acne. Popping or picking at blemishes not only spreads bacteria but can also cause scarring, hyperpigmentation, and delayed healing. It's a common yet harmful habit that exacerbates the problem rather than resolving it. One way to reduce face touching is by becoming more mindful of the habit. Notice when you're more likely to touch your face, whether it's during work, while thinking, or out of boredom, and try to keep your hands busy with something else. Regular hand washing is essential, but even clean hands can transfer oils to your face, so it's best to minimize contact altogether. Additionally, keep your phone clean, avoid resting your face on your hands, and change your pillowcases frequently to reduce the number of contaminants that can reach your skin. By avoiding face touching, you'll help break the cycle of acne and support your skin's natural healing process. 3. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is a fundamental but often overlooked aspect of maintaining clear, healthy skin. Adequate water intake supports your body's natural processes, including skin health. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products through the kidneys and urinary system, reducing the burden on your skin to eliminate these substances. Proper hydration keeps your skin's barrier function intact, ensuring it remains supple and less prone to dryness and irritation. Well-hydrated skin is better able to retain moisture, which helps prevent excess oil production that can lead to clogged pores and acne. Moreover, water aids in maintaining the skin's elasticity and plumpness, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To stay optimally hydrated, aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, or about 2 liters. Adjust this amount based on your activity level, climate, and individual needs. Incorporate hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables into your diet, such as cucumbers, oranges, and strawberries, which provide additional hydration and essential vitamins. By prioritizing hydration, you'll support your skin's natural processes, contributing to a clearer, healthier complexion. 2. Incorporate retinoids. Incorporating retinoids into your skincare routine can be a game changer for acne management and overall skin health. Retinoids are derivatives of vitamin A that work by promoting cell turnover and preventing the buildup of dead skin cells in your pores. This helps to unclog pores, reducing the likelihood of acne and improving the appearance of existing blemishes. Retinoids also stimulate collagen production, which enhances skin texture and elasticity, making your skin look smoother and more youthful. They can diminish the appearance of acne scars and hyperpigmentation over time, providing a more even skin tone. There are various types of retinoids, including over-the-counter options like retinol and prescription-strength options such as tretinoin. Begin with a lower concentration to gauge your skin's tolerance, gradually increasing as needed. Apply retinoids at night since they can increase sensitivity to sunlight. Be consistent and pair them with a broad-spectrum sunscreen during the day to protect your skin. With regular use, retinoids can significantly improve your skin's clarity and texture. 1. Cleanse with salicylic acid. Cleansing with salicylic acid is one of the most effective steps you can take to clear up acne. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, that penetrates deep into your pores, dissolving the debris, oil, and dead skin cells that lead to breakouts. It works by exfoliating the inside of the pore, which is crucial for preventing and treating acne, especially blackheads and whiteheads. When you use a cleanser containing salicylic acid, it not only helps to remove surface-level impurities but also clears out the deeper blockages that can lead to pimples. Regular use can result in visibly clearer skin over time as it reduces the occurrence of clogged pores. Additionally, salicylic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help soothe irritated skin and reduce the redness and swelling often associated with acne. For best results, choose a cleanser with a concentration of 0.5% to 2% salicylic acid, depending on your skin sensitivity. Use it consistently, but be mindful not to overdo it, as excessive use can lead to dryness and irritation. Pairing it with a good moisturizer will help maintain your skin's hydration balance while reaping the benefits of clearer, smoother skin. There you have it, 5 simple strategies to help you clear up your acne. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can achieve clearer, healthier skin and boost your confidence. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.